I love that we have fun at work. We at BitLabs bring in high energy and passion towards providing hands on training to all our learners so that they have a great career ahead.
The coolest thing I love in BitLabs is I am very much encouraged to try out the new things and to be creative. If it doesn't work also, like I get the continuous support from my management.
I love the opportunities that I receive at BitLabs. I feel valued and respected for the work that I do here. I love BitLabs.
I love my training profession in BitLabs because every day is a challenging day and I love challenges too.
I love the environment in BitLabs. My team is very interactive and supportive. Love you, BitLabs.
I love support from the management. I'm so happy to be a part of beginning of the student career. Love you, BitLabs.
I love the training program in BitLabs because of training curriculum which have high standards and purely industry oriented.
I love the creativity in BitLabs. I face new challenges every day to create animation and functionality using different types of creativity in development. I love you, BitLabs.
I love BitLabs because of the 100% job guarantee that we give to our learners.
I love the work culture in BitLabs. As a graphic designer, they gave me a freedom to explore new ideas and implement them without any restrictions. Thank you, BitLabs.
I love quality of production in BitLabs. As a part of QC team, I rarely finding the bugs in production. That's why I love BitLabs.
I love continuous support from my management and colleagues. They are really very cooperative and helpful. Love you, BitLabs.
I love my team members as they are very helpful and teach me many things. I love BitLabs.
I love to work in BitLabs Discord community. There are many activities are going on. You can enjoy and hang out with your friends.
I love my sessions in BitLabs. My learners double my energy. I love you, BitLabs.
I love the way of working of my team members. I feel I'm working with professionals that I can learn from. Thanks for supporting. Love you, BitLabs.
I love to learn something new every day, and BitLabs is a place to learn new things. I love BitLabs.
I love BitLabs for 3 reasons. Great leaders, wonderful team, and amazing learners. Thank you, BitLabs.
I love bunch of emotions, support of great leaders and team members. BitLabs is my family now. I love BitLabs.
We love BitLabs.